SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change font size on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to make the font on your iPhone 14 either smaller or larger, then you can do so by opening the Settings app, scrolling down and choosing the Display and Brightness option. You can then choose Text Size from this menu. And then you can tap the slider at the bottom of the screen here. If you choose one of the leftmost options, then the text will get smaller. And if you choose one of the rightmost options, then the text will get larger. Now, if the largest text size on that slider doesn't give you the big enough text that you want, then you can go back to the main settings menu, select the accessibility option. You can then choose display and text size, then larger text, and then you can enable the larger accessibility sizes option. And now you'll be able to choose from some additional text sizes on this slider. And as you can see, those text sizes can get quite large. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.